The 2024 SsangYong Musso XLV has received tech updates, but its higher pricing and some shortcomings make it face tough competition in the budget utes segment. The adventure model, positioned between the ELX and Ultimate, aims to attract buyers with its distinct look but falls short in adventure features. Pros: improved infotainment with twin 12.3-inch screens. Still competitive in terms of value for money. Long warranty and affordable servicing. Cons: halogen headlights in lower models. Missing essential safety features in base models. Lap-only center rear seatbelt. Some issues with the infotainment system. Oddly proportioned design for the XLV model. Pricing: the updated Musso range is pricier, starting from $40,000 for the ELX and reaching $46,500 for the Ultimate. The Adventure XLV, reviewed here, starts at $44,000 drive away. Interior: the XLV model offers a spacious cabin with twin 12.3-inch screens, but the infotainment system has some glitches. Practicality is decent, but there's room for improvement in storage options. The back seat is adequate, but a lap-only center seatbelt is a safety concern. Under the bonnet, the Musso XLV is powered by a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder turbo-diesel engine with 2 states of tune. The XLV versions have a longer chassis and increased torque. All models feature a 6-speed automatic gearbox, selectable 4-wheel drive, and auto-locking rear differential. Driving experience: the driving experience is described as decent, with sufficient mid-range power. The automatic transmission is smooth, but there are occasional shifts at lower speeds. Steering can be unnecessarily heavy at higher speeds. The ride quality falls short compared to some competitors. Safety: standard safety features include airbags, AEB, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and a reversing camera. The absence of ANCAP or Euro NCAP ratings is noted. Higher trims offer additional safety features like blind spot warning and surround view camera. Cost to run: the Musso offers a compelling ownership package with a 7-year warranty, roadside assistance, and capped price servicing. Servicing intervals are 12 months/15,000 km, and the average maintenance fee is capped at $375. Fuel consumption ranges from 8.6 to 9.0 L/100 km. Conclusion: while the SsangYong Musso XLV retains its value proposition, it faces stiff competition, especially from the GWM Ute. The adventure model, though attractive, has room for improvement in adventure features. Potential buyers must weigh the pros and cons before making a decision.